Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of digital microscopes. Unlike traditional microscopes, digital microscopes use advanced optics and digital cameras to display magnified images directly on a screen. This makes them incredibly user-friendly and versatile for a wide range of applications, from education to industry. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or professional, understanding how to work with digital microscopes can open up a whole new perspective on the microscopic world. Let's start by exploring what sets digital microscopes apart and why they've become so popular in recent years. Digital microscope is an optical instrument that uses a digital camera to capture and display images of small objects on a monitor or computer. Unlike traditional microscopes, which require you to look through an eyepiece, digital microscopes let you view specimens comfortably on a screen. This not only reduces eye strain, but also allows for easy sharing and documentation of findings. Digital microscopes come in various shapes and sizes, from handheld portable models to advanced laboratory systems. Their flexibility and ease of use make them ideal for classrooms, research labs, and even home use. Let's take a closer look at the main components of a digital microscope. Typically, you'll find a lens system for magnification, a built-in digital camera, LED lighting for illumination, and a stand or base for stability. Most models also include a USB or HDMI connection to link the microscope to a computer or monitor. Some advanced versions offer touchscreens or wireless connectivity. Understanding these parts is essential for effective operation and troubleshooting. Each component plays a vital role in capturing clear, detailed images and ensuring a smooth user experience. Setting up a digital microscope is usually straightforward. Start by placing the microscope on a stable, flat surface. Connect it to your computer or monitor using the provided USB or HDMI cable. If your model is wireless, follow the manufacturer's instructions to pair it with your device. Next, install any necessary software or drivers, which often come on a CD or are available for download. Once everything is connected, power on the microscope and launch the viewing software. You're now ready to begin exploring the microscopic world. One of the key features of digital microscopes is adjustable magnification. Most models allow you to change the level of zoom either by turning a dial or using software controls. Start with the lowest magnification to locate your specimen, then gradually increase the zoom for a closer look. Be mindful that higher magnification may require fine-tuning the focus and lighting. Experiment with different settings to find the best view for your sample. This flexibility makes digital microscopes suitable for a wide range of tasks, from examining insects to inspecting circuit boards. Achieving a sharp, clear image is all about proper focusing. Most digital microscopes feature a focus knob or slider which you can adjust while viewing the live image on your screen. Begin by placing your specimen on the stage and bringing it into rough focus at low magnification. Then fine-tune the focus until the details become crisp. Some advanced models offer autofocus, which can be especially helpful for beginners. Remember, patience and small adjustments are key to getting the best result. Proper lighting is crucial for clear, detailed images. Most digital microscopes come with built-in LED lights which can be adjusted for brightness and angle. Experiment with different lighting settings to reduce glare and shadows. For transparent specimens, use transmitted light from below. For opaque objects, use reflected light from above. Some microscopes allow you to add external light sources for even more control. Good illumination not only enhances image quality but also makes it easier to spot fine details. One of the biggest advantages of digital microscopes is the ability to capture high-resolution images and videos. Most models have a dedicated button or software feature for taking snapshots or recording video. This is perfect for documenting your findings, creating presentations, or sharing discoveries with others. Make sure your specimen is in focus and well lit before capturing. Many microscopes also let you annotate images or measure features directly within the software, adding even more value to your observations. After capturing images or videos, it's important to save and organize your files for easy access later. Most digital microscopes save files directly to your computer, often in standard formats like JPEG or MP4. Create folders for different projects or specimens to keep your work organized. Many microscope software programs also offer built-in file management tools, allowing you to tag, sort, and search for images quickly. Good organization ensures you can easily find and review your observations whenever needed. Many digital microscopes come with built-in measurement tools in their software. These allow you to measure lengths, areas, and angles directly on your captured images. Simply calibrate the software using a known reference, such as a ruler or calibration slide, and you're ready to make precise measurements. This feature is especially useful for scientific research, quality control, and educational projects. Accurate measurements can help you analyze specimens in greater detail and support your findings with quantitative data. Annotation tools let you add notes, arrows, and highlights directly to your microscope images. This is incredibly helpful for marking important features, labeling structures, or creating educational materials. Most digital microscope software includes a variety of annotation options, from simple text labels to colorful shapes. Annotated images can be saved and shared, making it easier to communicate your findings with colleagues, students, or friends. Clear annotations enhance the value of your observations and support effective learning. Digital microscopes make it easy to share your discoveries with others. You can email images, upload videos to cloud storage, or present findings in virtual meetings. Some microscope software even offers direct sharing to social media or collaboration platforms. This connectivity is especially valuable for remote learning, team projects, or professional presentations. Sharing your results helps foster collaboration, receive feedback, and inspire curiosity in others. Digital microscopes are transforming classrooms around the world. Teachers can project live images onto a screen, allowing all students to observe specimens together. This interactive approach makes lessons more engaging and accessible. Students can capture their own images, annotate findings, and participate in group discussions. Digital microscopes are also ideal for remote learning, enabling students to explore the microscopic world from home. Their versatility supports a wide range of subjects, from biology to materials science. Research labs, digital microscopes are invaluable tools for analyzing samples, documenting experiments, and sharing results. Their high-resolution imaging and measurement capabilities support detailed investigations in fields like biology, chemistry, and materials science. Researchers can easily capture time-lapse videos, compare images over time, and collaborate with colleagues worldwide. The ability to save and organize large amounts of data streamlines the research process and enhances scientific discovery. Digital microscopes play a key role in industry, especially for quality control and inspection. They're used to examine electronic components, inspect manufactured parts, and detect defects at a microscopic level. The ability to document and measure features ensures products meet strict standards. Digital microscopes also speed up the inspection process, allowing for real-time analysis and reporting. Their precision and efficiency make them essential tools in modern manufacturing environments. Digital microscopes aren't just for professionals, they're also great for hobbyists and home users. Whether you're exploring nature, examining coins, or studying textiles, a digital microscope can reveal fascinating details. Many affordable models are portable and easy to use, making them perfect for family science projects or personal exploration. Sharing discoveries with friends and family can spark curiosity and inspire a lifelong interest in science. Selecting the right digital microscope depends on your needs and budget. Consider factors like magnification range, camera resolution, connectivity options, and software features. For classroom use, look for models with easy sharing and annotation tools. Researchers may need higher resolution and measurement capabilities, while hobbyists might prefer portability and simplicity. Reading reviews and comparing specifications can help you make an informed decision. Remember, the best microscope is the one that fits your specific requirements. Shopping for a digital microscope, it's important to understand key specifications. Magnification indicates how much larger the microscope can make an object appear. Camera resolution measured in megapixels affects image clarity. Connectivity options like USB, HDMI, or wireless determine how you'll view and share images. Additional features such as built-in measurement tools or adjustable lighting can enhance usability. Comparing these specs helps ensure you choose a microscope that meets your expectations. Software that comes with your digital microscope is just as important as the hardware. Good software should offer live viewing, image and video capture, measurement tools, and annotation capabilities. Some programs also provide advanced features like time-lapse recording or 3D imaging. User-friendly interfaces make it easier to operate the microscope and manage your files. Before purchasing, check if the software is compatible with your operating system and meets your needs. Most digital microscopes connect to computers, tablets, or monitors using USB or HDMI cables. Some models offer wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, making it easy to use the microscope with multiple devices. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for setup, and ensure your device meets the system requirements. Proper connection ensures smooth operation and access to all software features. If you encounter issues, check cables and drivers, or consult the user manual for troubleshooting tips. Calibration is essential for accurate measurements and reliable results. Most digital microscopes include a calibration slide or reference object. Use the software's calibration tool to set the correct scale, ensuring that measurements are precise. Regular calibration is especially important if you use the microscope for scientific or industrial purposes. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for best results. Proper calibration guarantees that your data is trustworthy and consistent. Proper maintenance keeps your digital microscope in top condition. Clean the lens and camera regularly using a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage sensitive components. Store the microscope in a dust-free environment when not in use and cover it to protect from debris. Periodically check cables and connections for wear. Following these simple steps will extend the life of your microscope and ensure optimal performance every time you use it. Even the best digital microscopes can encounter occasional problems. Common issues include blurry images, connection failures, or software glitches. If your image is unclear, check the focus, lighting, and cleanliness of the lens. For connection problems, ensure cables are secure and drivers are up to date. Restarting the software or device often resolves minor glitches. If problems persist, consult the user manual or contact customer support. Troubleshooting skills help you quickly resolve issues and get back to exploring. Digital microscopes are generally safe to use. It's important to follow basic safety guidelines. Avoid looking directly into bright LED lights, and never force components that seem stuck. Handle delicate parts such as the lens and camera with care. Keep liquids away from the microscope to prevent damage. If using the microscope with children, supervise their activities to ensure safe and proper use. Following these precautions helps prevent accidents and protects your equipment. Digital microscopes are perfect for examining biological specimens, such as plant cells, insects, or pond water. Prepare your sample on a slide and adjust the lighting for the best view. Use different magnification levels to explore various structures and details. Capture images or videos to document your findings. This hands-on exploration is not only educational but also incredibly rewarding, revealing the hidden beauty of the natural world. Beyond biology, digital microscopes are great for studying materials like fabrics, metals, and plastics. Place your sample under the lens and experiment with lighting angles to highlight textures and patterns. This can be useful for quality control, art projects, or simply satisfying your curiosity. Documenting different materials helps you appreciate the complexity and craftsmanship of everyday objects. Digital microscopes are widely used to inspect electronic components and circuit boards. High magnification reveals tiny solder joints, traces, and potential defects. This is essential for electronics repair, manufacturing, and research. Use the measurement and annotation tools to document findings and communicate with team members. Clear, detailed images help ensure the reliability and safety of electronic devices. Collectors and hobbyists use digital microscopes to examine coins, stamps, and other collectibles. Magnified views reveal fine details, engravings, and signs of wear that are invisible to the naked eye. Documenting these features helps with authentication and valuation. Sharing high-quality images with other collectors can also enhance your enjoyment of the hobby and connect you with a wider community. Textile professionals and enthusiasts use digital microscopes to study fibers, weaves, and fabric quality. High magnification uncovers the structure of threads and the intricacies of different materials. This is valuable for quality control, textile research, and even fashion design. Capturing images of textiles can help document findings and support product development or academic studies. Forensic science, digital microscopes are used to analyze evidence such as hair, fibers, and residues. Their ability to capture and document minute details is crucial for investigations. High-resolution images can be presented in court or shared with other experts for analysis. The portability and ease of use of digital microscopes make them valuable tools for fieldwork and laboratory analysis alike. Digital microscopes are increasingly used in medical and clinical settings for examining tissue samples, blood smears, and microorganisms. Their ability to capture and share images supports diagnosis, research, and education. Telemedicine applications allow doctors to consult with specialists remotely, improving patient care. The clarity and documentation capabilities of digital microscopes make them indispensable in modern healthcare. Environmental scientists use digital microscopes to study soil, water, and air samples. Magnified images reveal microorganisms, particles, and pollutants that impact ecosystems. Documenting these findings helps track environmental changes and supports conservation efforts. The portability of digital microscopes allows for fieldwork in diverse locations, making them valuable tools for environmental monitoring and research. Art conservators and restorers use digital microscopes to examine paintings, sculptures, and artifacts. High magnification reveals brushstrokes, cracks, and restoration needs. Detailed images guide conservation work and help document the condition of valuable pieces. Digital microscopes also support research into artistic techniques and materials, preserving cultural heritage for future generations. Jewelers use digital microscopes to inspect gemstones and jewelry for quality, authenticity, and craftsmanship. Magnified views reveal inclusions, flaws, and intricate details. Documenting these features supports appraisals and customer communication. The ability to capture and share images enhances transparency and trust in the jewelry industry. Paleontology and archaeology, digital microscopes help examine fossils, artifacts, and ancient materials. High-resolution imaging uncovers fine details that inform research and preservation. Documenting findings supports academic studies and museum displays. The portability of digital microscopes allows for use in the field as well as the lab, broadening their impact on historical research. Botanists use digital microscopes to study plant structures, pollen, and diseases. Magnified images reveal cellular details and support research into plant health and growth. Documenting these observations helps track changes over time and supports breeding or conservation programs. Digital microscopes make it easier to share findings with colleagues and students, advancing botanical science. Food scientists use digital microscopes to inspect food products for quality, contamination, and nutritional content. Magnified images reveal textures, additives, and potential hazards. Documenting these findings supports food safety and quality control. The ability to share images with colleagues and regulators enhances transparency and consumer trust in the food industry. Veterinarians use digital microscopes to examine animal samples, diagnose diseases, and monitor treatments. High-resolution images support accurate diagnosis and effective care. Sharing images with pet owners or specialists helps explain conditions and treatment options. Digital microscopes are valuable tools in both clinical and research settings for animal health. Digital microscopes enable remote collaboration and learning by allowing users to share live images and videos over the internet. This is especially useful for distance education, virtual labs, and international research projects. Teachers and researchers can demonstrate techniques, discuss findings, and work together in real time, regardless of location. This connectivity expands access to scientific exploration and education worldwide. Digital microscopes can be integrated with other technologies, such as 3D imaging, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. These integrations enhance capabilities, allowing for automated analysis, advanced visualization, and improved data management. For example, AI can help identify patterns or classify specimens, while 3D imaging provides a more complete view of complex structures. Staying updated with technological advancements ensures you get the most out of your digital microscope. Many digital microscopes offer upgrade options and accessories, such as additional lenses, lighting attachments, or specialized stands. These enhancements can expand the microscope's capabilities and adapt it to new tasks. Before purchasing accessories, ensure they are compatible with your model. Investing in quality upgrades can improve your experience and extend the usefulness of your microscope. Digital microscopes are available at a wide range of price points, from budget-friendly models for beginners to advanced systems for professionals. Consider your needs and how often you'll use the microscope when deciding on a budget. While higher-end models offer more features, many affordable options provide excellent value for everyday use. Investing in a reliable microscope ensures you get the most benefit for your money. As with any electronic device, consider the environmental impact of your digital microscope. Choose models with energy-efficient LED lighting and recyclable materials when possible. Proper disposal and recycling of old equipment help reduce electronic waste. Supporting manufacturers with sustainable practices contributes to a healthier planet and responsible technology use. Field of digital microscopy is rapidly evolving, with new technologies and features emerging every year. Expect to see improvements in image resolution, automation, and connectivity. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will play a bigger role in analysis and classification. As digital microscopes become more affordable and accessible, their applications will continue to expand across education, research, and industry. Staying informed about these trends ensures you're ready to take advantage of the latest advancements. Working with digital microscopes opens up a world of discovery, whether you're in a classroom, laboratory, or at home. Their ease of use, powerful features, and versatility make them valuable tools for education, research, and industry. By understanding how to set up, operate, and maintain your digital microscope, you can unlock its full potential and enjoy countless hours of exploration. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the possibilities that digital microscopy offers for seeing the world in new ways.